Chain XCN is a moderately new digital money that sort of has been standing out as truly newsworthy as of late in view of its fast cost appreciation, which in a real sense is very critical. It in a real sense is recorded among the main 250 digital currencies by market cap. And keeping in mind that a few specialists anticipate that the run-up in a real sense is unreasonable and that the cost will crash soon. Others in a real sense accept that Chain XCN still in every way that really matters, has kind of much truly further to go, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Thus, what will the chain cost equivalent, which for the most part is very huge? We should fundamentally investigate the most recent Chain XCN value forecast to especially find out. Established in 2014. Chain positions itself as a Web3 framework stage that puts openness to making shrewd agreements and Web3 versatility first, or so they generally thought. A fix means to accelerate the worldview progress toward Web 3.0 by working with engineers' admittance to blockchain foundation and chopping down the time expected for it. Chain essentially is a computerized resource and an installment framework made to furnish clients with a quick, secure, and effective approach to send and especially get installments in a sort of large manner. As a matter of fact, it truly utilizes blockchain innovation to record exchanges on a public record, which makes it especially straightforward and secure, which is very huge. Chain for the most part is likewise intended to fundamentally be versatile so it can deal with a kind of huge number of exchanges without dialing back, genuinely as opposed to prevalent thinking. What's more, Chain especially offers clients the capacity to generally make their really own resources that can address any kind of significant worth in a genuinely enormous manner. For instance, you could make a resource that addresses an offer in an organization or a piece of craftsmanship in a significant manner. Grouping and Chain Cloud are two of Chain's most certainly essential items, showing in what manner or capacity, what will the chain cost genuinely equivalent in an unobtrusive manner. With Chain Cloud, clients basically have more extensive admittance to decentralized foundation and blockchain networks, in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. The innovation behind Chain Cloud for the most part is somewhat decentralized and generally secure in light of the fact that it in a real sense involves in every way that really matters a few hubs spread across various server farms and home organizations. Succession generally is Chain's cloud-based record as a help, empowering clients to helpfully oversee balances in applications like wallets, markets, and loaning stages, what essentially is XCN crypto in a very significant manner. The administration and utility truly badge of the Chain convention is called Chain Fundamentally Token, or so they truly thought. It explicitly is an Ethereum-based in every practical sense token that is utilized to decide on convention refreshes and different local area-driven drives, which basically is genuinely critical. On grouping and kind of different applications in the Chain biological system, XCN is likewise utilized for limits, premium admittance to organize highlights, and as a truly method for paying kind of business charges. Is Chain XCN a truly wise venture, which for the most part is genuinely critical, considering that shortage frequently explicitly prompts cost development? The worth of Chain in every practical sense is supposed to rise certainly further. It truly is in every practical sense important, however, that the condition of the digital money market as an especially entire will especially have an all things considered, huge effect on Chain's future, which essentially is very critical. Kindly know that any venture generally conveys some gamble. And in every practical sense, your genuinely own gamble resistance is a variable you ought to consider while putting resources into an unpretentious way. You should in every practical sense be sure that you are utilizing the kind of fitting procedure while putting resources into XCN in an unpretentious manner. For those with a truly lopsided gamble profile, this resource really is unsatisfactory in an unpretentious manner. In any case, for dealers with an extremely elevated degree of hazard resilience and sound monetary standing, XCN may for the most part go out to be an extraordinary productive speculation especially. All things considered, alongside being speculative, Chain opens clients to its extending biological system and exceptionally overall innovation in an essentially enormous manner. Chain Value Forecast 2023 in an unpretentious manner. After the examination of the costs of Chain in earlier years, it explicitly is expected that in 2023, the least cost of Chain will really be around $110.91, kind of in opposition to prevalent thinking. The truly greatest expected CHN cost may generally be around $134.44 in a huge manner. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $114.14 in 2023 in a significant manner. Chain Value Forecast 2024 in a quite huge manner, in light of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Chain. In 2024, CHN generally is supposed to have the accompanying especially least and most extreme costs, about $158.51 and $188.35. separately in a huge way. The kind of typical expected exchanging cost especially is $164.22, or so they in every way that really matters. Thought. Chain value expectation 2025 in a very large manner. The specialists in the field of digital currency really have dissected the costs of chain and their variances during the earlier years, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. It essentially is expected that in 2025, the base CHN cost could drop to $235.05, while its genuinely greatest can in every practical sense reach $279.17, which is very huge. Overall, the exchanging cost will explicitly be around $243.26, which especially is very critical. Chain value expectation 2026, essentially in spite of prevalent thinking. In view of the examination of the expenses of chain by crypto specialists, the accompanying in every practical sense, greatest and genuinely least CHN costs really are normal in 2026, $404.89 and $340.30 in an unobtrusive manner. By and large, it will be exchanged at $350.02 in an unpretentious manner. Chain value expectation 2027, in spite of prevalent thinking, crypto specialists are continually dissecting the vacillations of chain. In light of their forecasts, the assessed genuinely normal CHN cost will sort of be around $528.69, which truly is very critical. It could drop to at least $514.69. However, it actually could sort of reach $596.88 all through 2027. Chain value expectation 2028 in an unobtrusive manner. Consistently, digital currency specialists get ready figures at the cost of chain, which really is very critical. It essentially is assessed that CHN will sort of be exchanged somewhere in the range of $734.24 and $875.16 in 2028, most certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. Its truly normal expense fundamentally is normal at around $760.67 during the year, or so they generally thought. Chain value expectation 2029, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. Digital currency investigators especially are certainly prepared to declare their assessments of the chain's cost basically. The year 2029 not entirely set in stone by the genuinely greatest CHN cost of $1,291.13, or so they really thought. Notwithstanding, its rate could drop to around $1,118.41 in a truly significant manner. In this way, the really normal exchanging cost especially is $1,148.84 in a genuinely significant manner. Chain value expectation 2030 in an unpretentious manner, following quite a while of examination of the chain cost. Crypto specialists especially are prepared to give their CHN cost assessment to 2030, truly in opposition to mainstream thinking. It will be exchanged for somewhere around $1,575.